Hello, everybody. Welcome to my course Build Serverless Apps on AWS. So, in this session, we are going to do hands on by hosting a simple React weather app on AWS Amplify. So, before getting started, uh, we 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 are going to deploy a simple React weather application using AWS Amplify directly from the console. By end of this demo, our React application will be live on the internet. So before we begin, let's quickly confirm the prerequisite. First, we need a React application. This could be your own app, or you can use my weather app, which I'm going to share in this course. Second, that application should be pushed to GitHub. So Amplify also supports Bitbucket, GitLab, Code Commit, and even the direct zip uploads. But in this demo, we will connect to GitHub. And finally, you need an active AWS account, which we already have set up. So let's get started. Um, okay, so I'm going to go to AWS Amplify. Here, I'm gonna click apply, deploy an app. Sorry. So start building with the Amplify. Here, I'm going to select GitHub and click on next. Okay. Okay. So here I'm gonna pick the React Weather app, and if the permission are not provided, you have to click on update. And yeah, if this were like mono repo, we if we would want to configure this, you can, but in our case, we'll just leave as is. And I'm gonna click on next. So Amplify now gives us the option to customize the application name and the build settings and deployment configuration. For simplicity, I leave as is default and click on next. So save and deploy. So what's happening in the background is that Amplify is pulling our code from GitHub, storing it in S3 and deploying it through CloudFront. The best part is that this entire process is automated. So you can see here it's deploying. So we don't need to do any manual configuration, storage, CDN or SSL certificates, all that been taken care. How good is that? On the Amplify console, uh, let me see this. Let me click on, yeah, deploying. Okay, so here we can see that deployment is pending. And if I click on this, we can see the logs. So it gives a detail on what it's doing currently. It's you can see that it's starting caching, completed successfully. After that, it creating a cache artifact. It's uploaded to S3 there, and then the starting the environment caching. So now it's all completed. Um, so deploy, yes, deployment is complete. So you can see that the deployment is done. Okay, so here in the console, right, we saw that the pipeline in action, how well it performed everything. So the app probably provisioned and it gives the logs and deployment history, details and all that. We went through it. And all so like um, let me click on this and show you the. Okay, here you can see that I have searched for the San Ramon, California, and I got the details weather app. So basically, this gives an idea how easily we can deploy an app using the AWS Amplify. So feel free to reach out if any questions or feedback. Let's keep learning together. Thank you.